everyone, I received the package for the Kate Spade, the 4 Kate Spade ties. I got it today. So the colors are actually it's a nightcap color, cherry wood, and nimbus gray, and warm beige. So guys, this kind of charisma plug wallet on the string. So I'm gonna show you. Okay. So this is the box I got today. And let me sit down and let's open this unboxing, okay, so we can wear it. Right, so this is a beautiful bag. It's very nice. You can sit inside. That's it. Number one. And we'll wrap it here so I don't want to destroy the leather. And this is the Kate Spade. This color is, let me see. This is nimbus gray. Oh gosh, this is a beautiful color. Look at this, nice. So the way they really handle it, really cool. So let me just show this, how beautiful it is. Nice bag. And this is the other one. This is the warm beige. The way they actually cover is just really guys, so they make sure they're very careful here, the way they wrap it, wrap everything. So I should be showing to you, huh? How I oh shit, sorry. Alright, so this is supposed to be here. Right here, so they have to, Jesus. So you have to clip this one, this little thing inside. See right here? Right there. So clip it there. This is nice. I love this one actually. It's very cute. This is like very handy for shopping. So beautiful, right guys? Okay, so this is number 2. 3, and this is last but not the least. Number 4 will be the cherry. Okay, the color of this is the cherry wood. Okay, so let's get the cherry wood and let's see how it looks like. But when you buy in the store, so I am making mess in the house. Wow, so nice, see? Nice, right? Voila! For Kate Spade. Let's this one first. I'd like to be able to share with you guys the beautiful purses from Kate Spade coming from the US, and I treat you guys very special. Alright, so I would like to be able to be the first one to give it to you if you don't have this kind of purse yet. Alright, so I hope you like it. Keep watching the videos and some of the videos as well, so you'll be able to to win the contest, right? Not only the contest, so I'm sharing with you guys the beauty of our YouTube channel, which is the Vision Passion YouTube channel. It's about sharing the blessings, share your blessings, and just be happy, stay positive always, love, live your life to the fullest, right? That's it. That's sending all positive vibes and enjoy life. Forward for the winners this coming April 16, guys. So whoever win this beautiful 4 Kate Spade purses will be the lucky one. They're very classy. It's a leather. It's really beautiful, slick, trendy. Actually, it's nice. It's really kind of unique. So it's coming from the USA. So I will be mailing this next week. So we'll be in Manila before April 16. So whoever wins, we're ready to ship it to you guys. So Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So I'd like to thank everyone, my existing subscribers and my new subscribers. Thank you so much for all your love, support, and please keep watching the videos. Alright, guys? Say thank you so much to my Vision Passion family, my old-timer existing subscribers, and to the new one. Thank you so much for joining us. So we are a big happy Vision family now. And to all of you guys who continue to support our YouTube, thank you so much. To those people who invited all their friends in Bohol, Visayas, gosh, thank you to those winners like Ninita, Daisy, LC, Apple, Gia, marami pa, and I forgot the rest. I'm sorry. Jercel, Hayaboza. There's more. Christine, of course. Renaline, hello. Arlene, yeah. Thank you for all the help. And Ninita, thank you so much for supporting us, and keep watching, guys. Okay, keep watching the videos, and thank you so much. I'd like to thank Mariah and Jessa and Yudner and Gracie. Thank you guys for campaigning to have your friend actually support us, and to all our existing subscribers, thank you guys so much for your love, and can't wait to see you guys in person. You who probably doesn't know me, my name before is Vilma Vito, and I am Vilma Jennings now. I live in Los Angeles, California, Southern California since 1987. I was born in the Philippines, and I am an American citizen, but I left my heart in the Philippines. So, of course, I will always have a Philippines heart. You know what I mean? And enjoy giving, and I love sharing my blessings whatever I can. One, make sure you watch the YouTube channel of Regent Passion, so and able to win the question and answer will be coming to one of the videos. So good luck guys to each of you. I hope you win, and I wish you guys the best. Okay, so thank you so much for your love, thank you so much for your support, and thanks for liking and watching my video. Keep watching, keep inviting people, keep sharing. Alright everyone, I hope you guys have a good day, have a nice day, enjoy life and think positive. Alright, I love you guys. Your love is king. See ya. Alright everyone, to those who'd like to join, here's are the mechanics, so take a look and read it. Okay, forget to like and follow my Facebook page, and don't forget to watch video and subscribe. Thanks everyone.